Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you something that I learned. I was just tidying up the toilets and this is what I learned, how to release all the water from going from the wash basin to the pipes. Alright, let's go and see. This is our little wash basin which I was cleaning. And we are washing it and pushing it down. And then this so as we pull it up, it goes down and this releases it. This one locks it, and as you push it down, it releases it. Lock and release. Lock and release. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed week. Bye.